This hand sanitizer spray is so good. I know you guys are looking for hand sanitizer and you can't find any, so now you're on YouTube learning how to make your own. Let me show you how. Okay, so you're going to need just 3 ingredients in making your own DIY hand sanitizer spray or gel. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I got a little spray bottle for 99 cents and I got a little lotion bottle, also 99 cents. Today I want to make a spray because I think it's easier to just spray, rub in, and go. This is 3 ounces, and then I am using Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera Gel. I had this left over in my first aid kit just to have for sunburn, so hopefully you guys have some. If not, I recommend going and getting some as soon as possible because literally everything is being rated right now, so get it while you can. And I found my alcohol, these were I got the last 2 bottles at Bed Bath & Beyond, so it's really hard to find the ones that are 90%. The minimum that you want to get is 60% for it to actually be effective. Not vodka, not tequila. You can't do this with any hard alcohol. You have to use rubbing alcohol that is a minimum of 60% to actually be effective. When making hand sanitizer though, it needs to be 90%. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it's 2/3 cup alcohol and you're going to pour it in a mixing bowl. It smells so strong and I don't want to get it on my nail polish. I feel like it might remove my manicure. Okay, so then after that, you're going to take a 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel and you're going to put it into your mixing bowl. Then this part is optional, but I have 2 of my favorite essential oils that do have some antiviral or purifying properties to them, which is rosemary and lemon. I'm using 2 different brands, using doTERRA, and then I'm using Eden's Garden, which I really recommend, very affordable. And I'm gonna do 6 to 8 drops of each oil just to mix it up. I love the smell of both of these. And of course, this lemon is like really good. You can use this in cleaning products, you can use it in your water. So I'm gonna mix this all together. So once you mix these ingredients together and you've got your oils in, you can pour it into your spray bottle. My favorite thing about using aloe vera is that it is naturally moisturizing and it does have some antibacterial properties to it. So it's kind of a win-win. Okay, so I poured it into my spray bottle without making a mess. And now I'm gonna use it on my hands. I think 2 squirts is good. Oh, that smells really nice and clean. And my hands aren't sticky like this one leaves a little sticky residue. So I'm really digging my DIY one. And obviously you guys keep washing your hands. There's plenty of soap at the grocery stores and we're all out of hand sanitizer. I think it's definitely best if you guys are washing your hands. They say, CDC says, to wash your hands for 20 seconds. It doesn't matter the temperature, it just matters the length of how much you're leaving the soap on for how long, 20 seconds. And you do it like this. You rub like this, and then you get in between the knuckles and you rub each finger, and you wanna use friction. And then also circular motions in the palm, and then get everything all over. And that's what, did I just block my face the whole time I said that? Basically, you wanna get your whole entire hand. You can sing happy birthday twice, you can count to 20 really slow. My husband called me out the other day. I was like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And he's like, that is not, you're going way too fast. So be sure you're counting slowly and be sure you're using friction. And also the other thing I wanted to say is it reminds me of leaving like spaghetti sauce in the pan and then it kind of hardens on the pan. You can't just expect to run it underwater cold or hot water for 5 seconds and then it be clean. You have to get in there and scrub with a sponge. It's the same thing with pathogens on our hands or bacteria. You can't just do a little rinse and do a little dance and be done. You have to get in there, and we can't see the bacteria, but by us just scrubbing and using friction with our hands and letting the soap do its job and really get in there, you're doing yourself a favor and you're doing everyone around you a favor. So wash your hands, and if you can't wash your hands, this is when this bad boy comes in, and be sure it's 90% alcohol. 60% is the minimum. Anything below that is just not going to be effective. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Stay clean, stay healthy, and stay safe.